Focused on the issues at hand like a laser, and that's what we're focused on with this campaign.
The primary vote between Warren and Evans once again taking place on June 22nd.
We turn now to the courtroom. Timothy Granison, Lovely Warren's husband, was arraigned this morning. Allie Peters was watching the hearing from start to finish. Allie, the mayor said she feels hurt and betrayed and has not spoken to Granison since his arrest. What happened in court today?
Yeah, I was inside the city courtroom this morning for Granison's arraignment. He appeared over video from the Monroe County Jail, and that's when he was read 3 felony complaints that have been filed against him. Timothy Granison walking out of the Monroe County Jail with a shirt over his head just before noon. This after the 42-year-old was arraigned for drug and weapon charges.
This is on today for purposes of an arraignment based upon 3 felony complaints that have been filed against you.
Granison facing 3 felony charges, which include criminal possession of a controlled substance in the 3rd degree, criminal possession of a controlled substance with intent to sell, 3rd degree, and criminal possession of a firearm. Granison's attorney entering a plea on behalf of his client.
And ask that you enter a not guilty plea on each and every charge before the court.
News 8 spoke with Granison's defense attorney, John DeMarco, after the proceeding.
There's 2 charges that allege possession of contraband, appears to be cocaine, and an allegation that there was a firearm inside the home that was not registered to, I believe, anybody that they believe to be residing in the home.
Granison was released on his own recognizance, which means there is no bail, but the judge stressed how important it is that he appears at any future court appearances.
If you fail to appear for a scheduled court date, you may have a bench warrant issued directing a police officer to take you into custody and bring you to court.
Now, Granison is due back in court on June 21st at 10 a.m. The DA's office says they do plan to present this case to a grand jury before his next court appearance. Allie Peters in Rochester, News 8.
Thanks, Allie. This is